Good morning. Smile, Anton, Handyman. And this morning we're gonna be doing replacement pressure tank, 20-gallon pressure tank, 75 liters, and also we're gonna be changing out a shaft seal on a 3/4 horsepower cool water pump for our client. So let me just switch over so you can see what we're gonna be doing today. Alright, so this is the cool water pump. Take it apart. This seat on the middle there. A bit wet, so the shaft seal, which is inside here, leaking. Pressure tank is filled with water, so we're gonna replace this fiberglass pressure tank, and this is the new one. Right, tools here, and of course, what is a job without mango? Mangoliciously beautiful. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So stay tuned.